other taste attracts so much attention.
Absolutely marvelous.
Diet Pepsi, the most refreshingest invention.
And not only do you look marvelous, my little 12-ounce darling, but you taste marvelous.
No other taste attracts so much attention.
You come here often? I'm kidding you. I'm a kid.
The strength of Benyline. Compared to Robitussin, Triaminic, all leading cough medications, only Benyline gives you the strength of its exclusive cough suppressant, diphenhydramine. Benyline, available without prescription. And now there's new Benyline decongestant cough formula, the same exclusive cough suppressant plus the strength of added nasal decongestant. And new Benyline DME, with twice the chest-clearing expectorant of the leading brand. Benyline, our strength is your relief.
Shillito-Rike's Opportunity Day sale starts Saturday with extra bonus savings in every store. Opportunities like these don't come along every day, just this Saturday at Shillito-Rike's.
I don't believe this book. Jocks who eat Kellogg's cornflakes.
No pages, huh?
Yeah, Larry Bird eats them. The Larry Bird?
Are the Celtics?
And Jimmy Connors, Eric Dickerson.
How about Joe Montana?
Dwight Gooden.
My man.
Richard Gossage.
Goose.
It may surprise you who's eating cornflakes,
Joe Montana.
but not why. Great taste and solid nutrition. Make them a real breakfast winner.
Herschel Walker. Fuzzy Zeller.
Somebody pass the milk.
How about those Kellogg's cornflakes now?
Chances are, when you think the bargain bag has made it, it's still got a long way to go. Why take chances with anything less? Glad trash bags have 3 plies of super elastic stress flex plastic to stand up to life's little tumbles. Glad trash bags. Why take chances? Get Glad.